Hey yo, what's up RC fam? Today I want to do a quick video. I know you guys see the 6.4s in the back, but today I want to unbox something a little different. Big shout out for REDCAT Racing for always showing love with my photos and stuff. If you're not following them on the Facebook page, go check it out. They got some pretty cool stuff and all the other customizers, builders, some crazy stuff out there. So it's REDCAT Lowriders on Facebook. I think that's what it is. If not, let me know in the comments what it is. Or let the people know in the comments what it is. But anyways, let's try to make this short and sweet. Let's get to the point. Again, thanks, big shout out. First thing I want to show you is the box. Check that out. That's what it looks like there. Monte Carlo there. This one doesn't come with a background like the other one did, like the 6.4 did. Still pretty cool though. Here's the other side. And that's what that looks like there. On the side, I'm sure you can see that. That's all it is. Anyways, let's get to it real quick. Really quick, we're going to start off with, looks like a battery charger. So that's in there. And here we've got included some optional body posts. This is kind of a nice little feature. You got these little tabs, you can do Velcro or magnets on it if you want to. You can extend the top. Say you're doing like a, something with the shell with the camper. You got this the long body post for that. Another little connection for your battery. But the nice thing is going to be this little adapter here. This one right here. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to tell you about that one a little more later. So let's continue with it. Alright, so you're going to get your instruction manual here. What I recommend doing is reading that. It's a nice little quick start guide. It's really only a few pages. Nice thing is this comes in different languages, so don't freak out about how thick it is. But that's what that is there. Kind of shows you what to do if you ain't familiar with it. Like I said, some very useful information on here. Follow that. Looks like a little USB port in case you want to modify your radio system. I think they have the option so you can upgrade or download some kind of firmware update for your radio, but that's what that is. Alright. And they don't come with the car cover, so that was just a little freebie that I got from my peeps at REDCAT. So you know who you are. Thank you so much. All right, and let's take this baby out. Actually, let's get rid of this thing. So let's take that out. Again, standard radio, LR6 REDCAT. All right, that's what I'm talking about. There it is, a 79 Monte Carlo. This one's in purple. It's got the low pro tires on there with the chrome wires. Loving it. So let's check out the body. I think that looks pretty cool there. I was checking out the grill. Love how that grill looks. Let's go check out the headlight. That looks pretty good. It's got the little lenses in there, so they look kind of opaque. They're not clear like they were on the 6.4. I think that's a pretty good thing. It looks good. The body is a three-piece body. You got the front here, the main body, and then you got the rear bumper there. And going to the rear bumper, you can look at those tail lights too. Those are pretty cool. I love the texture on those. Those are going to look nice when you get some tail lights behind there. Little reverse lamps behind there. Otherwise, get your your chrome trim there around your windows, mirrors. Looks pretty cool. Love it. And the way you take this body off, what you want to do is, it's held on by magnets. Cool. So what you want to do is you want to lift up the front, all right, and then the back's gonna just slide right out. Like so. to work with all of my cars, so I just got the connector switched out. But if you want to, just go to your local hobby shop and they'll take care of that for you. Get a new one started on there. But right away you can see it's a different chassis than what we're used to with the 64. Front, you've got the two servos that are going to raise and lower your front end. Alright, kind of cool. And it's going to do that individually. I'm sure somebody's going to think of a way to modify it so that if they want a 79 Monte hopper, they can do that. But I kind of like the option to raise and lower each front wheel individually. I think that's pretty cool. And then you'll see that we've got the front mounted motor there. And then we've got our steering servo there. Again, it's a little micro servo. So we'll see how that holds up there. Got your standard, looks like REDCAT receiver, 6-channel. So that's cool there. And then obviously you've got your again REDCAT kind of standard XFly ESC, which is LiPo compatible. 2 to 3S is what I think is what I remember. But remember, if you're going to use LiPo on these, switch the little tab there to the LiPo option. And if you can't see it, it's on there. It kind of tells you where to put that tab. You don't want to fry up any servos or anything like that. And then going to the rear, you've got the 2 servos there that are also going to raise and lower the back of the car. Like so. Cool. And then the nice thing about this is I feel like it's going to be pretty standard, so you're going to be able to get a lot of different type of RC cars that are out there now, or the bodies. Now, the nice thing is, you know, you've got this plate back here, but REDCAT made it so that you could remove this back end here by removing those 2 screws and attaching the little plate that I was showing you in the beginning of the video, so that you can mount those body mounts or the body clips for your magnets or Velcro, whatever you want to use. So that's a nice, you know, feature. And then just looking at this right away, you can tell that you're going to be able to use the chrome lower control arms, upper control arms from the 64. So that's also another plus. So that's that. But I'm really excited to get this thing modified. You know, throw some chrome on it, change up the wheels. And I did get these wheels from, I don't know, somewhere across the pond. But anyways, I may go with some goldies there. So that should look pretty cool. You can see the 6.4 back here already has the chromies. But I mean, just get an idea. Woo, boy, can't wait to get that on there. Anyways, I may make another video putting those on. And another thing is, like, I'm really excited to chop the top. My plan is to do either a T-top or just, you know, all the way across and just give it that, you know, that low rider flavor. I didn't get any decals with this, but it'd be a nice thing to see somebody come out with some, you know, some simple decals. I'm not a fan of looking like a magic carpet and all that stuff, but you know what I mean? Like, I think just something subtle would look good. But shoot, one more thing before I go. I forgot to mention that there is another color option for the 79 Monte Carlo. This one I've already started chopping up, but check it out. You got the green one there. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let me know which one you like. I'm kind of feeling that candy apple green too. I think that looks pretty sick. But let me know in the comments which one you're feeling. Something. So that's going to raise the front, we're going to raise the rear, and this one's going to drop the front, drop the That's your 79. Peep out the photos. Again, Max Diecast on Instagram or Davermac on Instagram. Yeah, so go check it out, give me a follow. And remember to subscribe, hit that like button. Don't like it, hit that too. It's all good. Peace.